Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove calcium from toilet jets. First, turn off the water supply to your toilet and flush it to empty the tank. This prevents water from refilling during cleaning. Next, identify the small, often hidden, rim jets located just under the toilet bowl's rim. These are where calcium deposits typically accumulate. Finally, prepare your cleaning solution, which can be either white vinegar or a commercial descaling product. Once prepared, carefully pour your chosen cleaning solution directly into the overflow tube located inside the toilet tank. This method ensures the solution travels through the internal passages and reaches the rim jets effectively. Allow the solution to sit and work its magic for a minimum of 30 minutes. For more stubborn or heavy calcium buildup, it's best to let it soak for several hours or even overnight to achieve optimal results. After the soaking period, take a small brush, like a toilet brush or even a wire hanger, and thoroughly scrub inside each jet opening. This physical action helps dislodge any remaining calcium deposits loosened by the solution. Once scrubbing is complete, turn the water supply back on. Flush the toilet multiple times to rinse away all the cleaning solution and dislodge debris, ensuring the jets are clear and flowing freely. To keep your toilet jets clear and prevent future calcium buildup, establish a routine of regular cleaning with a mild toilet bowl cleaner. Additionally, if you live in an area with hard water, consider using a specialized toilet bowl cleaner formulated to combat mineral deposits. This proactive approach will save you time and effort in the long run. Also, remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.